guys, it's me Familia here, and today I bring you to a crafty video, I guess. I'm going to make a diaper cake for my sister-in-law's baby shower. So I'm going to tell you what you will need for this small, cute little shower gift. So you will need diapers, whatever size you decide to do your diaper cake in. You need rubber bands. I bought these little dinosaurs at the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna paint them green.
Oh, like a dinosaur?
Have that one?
Yeah. And this is a cute other one. Give me a minute, please. And I like this one because of the back. Excuse me, puppy. Hold on.
Mommy, I don't know this, right?
I got a baby bottle.
Ah, dang.
And got this. Oops. This dinosaur bib. I got the green paint I'm going to use to paint the dinosaurs. And got this one little pasty to put outside of it.
No, it isn't.
I got,
Mom.
not expecting her to use this, but it's like a little cute dino. Well, maybe for the bottom of like a bassinet or something.
Mom.
It's a dinosaur little blinky, and this to put on top of the cake. And no, I got these flowers at the Dollar Tree to use these, like the little garden, I don't know what, the little leaves I guess, to put on the side of the dinosaurs, just to make it more like it's standing next to a tree or something. And then I got white ribbon and green ribbon so I can like hide the rubber bands that will be rolling the diaper in. And then I will show you how I do it. So I am going to go ahead and start painting the little dinosaurs green to match the theme. And I'm gonna wait for them to dry. So I'm going to start rolling up the diapers. Struggling here. You are going to roll them. Hold on.
Okay.
Turn it upside down, and you're going to roll it this way. So this part, it's in the outer part this way, and then you're going to put your rubber band right in the middle. About 2 to 3 times, just so I can secure it tightly. And this is how you're supposed to get like a little cinnamon bun right here. This edging, you want it this way, and then you continue to do that process throughout until you have folded all of your diapers. Going to put the diapers in a circle, and then I'm going to put a rubber band And you don't want this part to be in the outer part. It's going to be in the inner part. It's not showing. So the smooth part is outside of the diaper cake. And you keep on adding diapers and the rubber band. And you can secure it with multiple rubber bands so they don't fall apart. So that's what I'm going to continue and doing until I have my first layer of the diaper cake. See how it starts shaping up. You can also do like multiple layers if you wanted to. You can do just 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers. It just depends on what you want. Make sure that your ribbon is aligned with the rubber band. Oops, sorry. There's the ribbon, and then I think I might do I have another like small green ribbon that I can use right here. This type of ribbon. It's a lot thinner. So might do like a little I don't know, what do you guys think? And just to give it a little bit of that green vibe, because her baby shower is dinosaurs. So just very quickly, just to give it that little hint of green. Okay, measure it up. So I think I'm going to use you know, the bow to go on top of it, and then the dinos, this is how they turned out. Green. And then I painted this one, different shaping. So probably going to do that, or I don't know if I'm gonna, I haven't decided yet. So I got all the ribbon on. This is how it looks. And then I'm planning on putting these dinosaurs right here maybe. I don't know. And then I'm going to, this little grass, I'm gonna cut it and insert it in between, like in the middle of the diaper, right by where the dinosaurs are. So I'm gonna show you the diaper cake, how it turned out. I did not hot glue the dinosaurs. Like, you can literally take them off, or if, you know, someone moves the cake, it's gonna fall. So the bow, and then I put these little grass. It came from like flowers from Dollar Tree, and I just cut them off and put them as little grass. And I put the pacifier, this says Wild One. I put a little like green bow under just so it can like match a little bit, because it's blue, so it's kind of thrown off a little bit, but I liked it because of what it said. And then the dinosaur that I painted, I end up painting a third dinosaur just so it can have a little bit more dinos. And I made it really simple, white ribbon with a little touch of green, a really thin green ribbon, and then the other dino, and then the little bib hanging on the side. And then the green bottles inside of the diaper cake, kind of like holding it together, like the two upper pieces. So I think it turned out pretty cute. It's pretty simple. I didn't want to make it too tacky. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.